Continuing on with the right mouse button click context menu, I'd like to draw your attention to the next button over, which is questions. And here again, it's really hard to disseminate what is the information that we're looking at in Data Manager. So across the top, we have our column headers again here. Right mouse button click, best fit for all columns. And now a lot more visibility and clarity occurs. We can see variables, we can see descriptions, and we can see the ask when questions. A couple of other things to be aware of is not only do you have column headers, but we also have row headers here. And these row headers are delineating each of the variables. And another thing to be aware of, specifically as it pertains to assemblies, is you can see a variable because that is actual question. You can actually see when you have an actual choice because the choice has a little minus sign or a little plus sign as well. Minus is the default, so you can see it's already been expanded out. We can see that this is the first choice name and then the variable underneath that as well. One other little tattletale here is that you will know when a variable is a variable and it's been embedded in is because this is a very long, expanding it out. You will know that it's a variable because it's been nested with inside of the choice and I cannot edit that actual ask when. So it's already been set up that way by default. However, and this does work for both variables that are not nested within a choice as well as choices, is that you can actually choose to edit when a choice should be exposed or displayed, and you can do the same thing for variables as well. So again, just to reinforce this, which is a little bit further on than just a right mouse button click context menu, is in fact that a nested variable within a choice cannot be edited because the choice controls that.